Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account from Signal app. So I have already installed this application from my mobile. So if you haven't installed this app, so go to Play Store and then search Signal app. So then you'll get this app. So install it. So I have already installed it. So let me open this app. So after open the app, here you can see the interface like this, and then click on continue. Then again click on continue, then give the permission like allow permissions. So then here you can see the interface like this. So you should be choose your country, and then most of the time the country will be automatically in defaulted from your native country. So then you can see the mobile number column. So enter your mobile number. You have already enter my mobile number. So if you haven't entered, so and give your mobile number and then click on next, then again click on OK. So then it will be sent to you the verification code. Then most of the time it will be automatically will be taken. So just a minute. So here you can see the message I have received. So let me type the verification code. So let me type my name. So then first name and last name. First name is important, last name is optional. So let me type something like that. So let me click on next. So here you can set 4-digit PIN. So whenever you are getting to the application, it will be ask you the 4-digit PIN. So more than secure of this app. Okay. So let me type, then enter again. It will be confirmed. Okay. So then click on next. Now we have successfully created an account from Signal app. So this app looks like the WhatsApp. So if you are using the WhatsApp, the option is same. So click on the pencil icon, and then here you can type any of the people mobile number and will be get in chat window. Okay. Then again click on the pencil icon, and you will be see the if anybody is using your contact members from Signal application, then it will be show you who are the people are there. Okay, just a minute. Here you can see the contacts something. So these people are using Signal app, so that's why it shows like this. And then here you can click on any of the contact and it will be chat with anyone. Okay, it's a process of same as well from WhatsApp. So if you have been using the WhatsApp, so everybody knows the WhatsApp, how to use the WhatsApp. So this also looks like this, and some of the option is not here, because WhatsApp having stories and calls, something like that, the tab, individual tabs. So here we have a one tab, so one page, we can only chat with someone. Okay. So now we've been successfully created Signal account. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you are new here, subscribe my channel and also never miss any updated videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.